You know the tab is open. You just cannot find it. This is Chrome on a desktop, Windows or Mac, and the answer is one keystroke. Control-Shift-A on Windows. Command-Shift-A on a Mac. Type a word, press Enter, and you are on that tab. That is the whole answer. Everything after this is where it lives, and what else it does. Look along your tab strip for a small chevron pointing down. It sits at one end of the strip, and which end depends on your machine. That is tab search. Chrome pins it there by default, and it has been sitting in your window this entire time. Click it. The panel is titled Search Tabs with the shortcut printed right next to the title. Underneath that title is a search box, and under that, every tab you have open. Start typing. It matches against the title and the web address, so you do not need the exact wording. Just a piece of it. Type maps, and every tab with maps in the title or the address shows up. Arrow keys move through the results. Enter jumps to the tab. Escape closes the panel without going anywhere. You never touch the tab strip. There is a second door to the same room, and it is the one worth building a habit around. Click the address bar, type Add Tabs, then press Tab or space. Chrome switches into tab search right there. Now you are searching your open tabs from the same box you already use for everything else. That matters because it removes the one thing that makes people give up on tab search. Remembering that it exists. The address bar you already use. The chevron you have to notice. The panel also lists tabs you recently closed underneath the open ones. So if the tab you are hunting for is one you shut 2 minutes ago by accident, it is in the same list. And it comes back the same way. Each row has a close button on the right, which is the part almost nobody uses. You can search your tabs and close them from the results without switching to a single one. Type the site you have 4 copies of, close 3 of them from the list, and never leave the panel. That is the video. The chevron in the tab strip. Control-Shift-A or Command-Shift-A, or at tabs in the address bar. Same panel, 3 doors. And that is the second half of the problem from the last video. Grouping made the strip readable. Search made the strip irrelevant because you stopped looking at it. What is left is the reason it filled up in the first place. One browser is carrying your work and your personal life at the same time. That is the next video. Chrome profiles and how separating them stops the clutter coming back. This is chromestory.com, decoding everything Chrome since 2009. Subscribe because this is Chrome explained properly.